Do you want to use pre-built automations in n8n or back up your own workflows in seconds? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to import, export, and safely store your n8n workflows, even if you're getting started. So let's get right into it. Right now, I have one of my workflows open. This is a Substack RSS feed analyzer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this breadcrumbs over here. I'm going to click it and I'm going to click download. When I do that, I'm going to be able to download a JSON file that will have all the information about this specific workflow. Then what we can do is let's go ahead and go back and let's click create workflow so we can create a new workflow from scratch. What we're going to do is we're going to click the breadcrumb. We're going to import from file, and we're going to use this one over here. And there we go. Easy as that. I'm able to create a failsafe of all my workflows and be able to store them in my computer in case something happens with my instance. Remember, this will only be able to do, you'll only be able to do this if you have the self-hosted version. So keep that in mind. There's also something very cool that I'm going to show you guys. Right now, this is the best way to import what's going to be the workflows. There's another version of this, which uses a URL. This is going to be a link to a GitHub URL that has a .json file. I'm not going to show you this specific method because the one that you're going to be using the most is going to be from file itself, right? So, for example, if you go to Claude or whatever LLM you like using, you'll be able to, for example, give a command like create a JSON and template that takes a RSS feed from Substack and summarizes it using AI. And you'll be able to create what's going to be like a JSON file. You're going to be able to download that JSON, and you're going to be able to import that JSON. Basically, let me open this real quick. Let me import from file. There we go. Open. This is the one that I just created with Claude. So very easy, very straightforward. Import from JSON files. You can download as JSON, and that way you'll be able to create what's going to be a folder with all your created workflows in case something happens to your instance. So that's going to be everything. Like the video if you found value in it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.